Talk about lightning. This tree up there, and that would not have been good if someone was there. Pick a bunch of pieces and it barked. Heard it from around the corner. I was like, yep, that hit something. Right there, there. I picked up a bunch. But that's a big. That would not be good. And the arc, a bunch of pieces already threw back. And look what it did to the road. Yeah, there was a bunch of stuff I threw back in the woods. But wow.